Odoo Photoroom Photo Editor. Odoo Photoroom Photo Editor helps the Odoo users to erase image backgrounds and replace it with different backgrounds of your choosing. The Photoroom Image Editor in Odoo allows users to erase image backgrounds and replace them with alternative backgrounds of their choice. Odoo Photoroom Photo Editor is the finest tool for editing your images. Odoo Photoroom allows you to effortlessly improve your images with a few clicks. The possibilities for altering the background color, cropping, and formatting are unlimited. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo-related videos.